Hello, my name is Tanuja Kaur and I'm a final year mechatronic engineering student. My project is about custom-made 3D printed sports shoes with IoT features for adults. Day by day, society is becoming increasingly health conscious. While fitness is just a hobby for some, it is more often an important part of many people's lifestyles. Especially in this COVID-19 pandemic, staying active and fit is fundamental in maintaining one's health, well-being, and cognitive functioning. In the last decade, the emergence of consumer wearable technology has increased rapidly. In healthcare and fitness industries, IoT integrated smartwatches and fitness trackers enable continuous monitoring of a person's fitness and health status. So, vital signs, posture, movement, and positioning, those are some of the data points that can be collected from our connected devices. So, while we consider this, another very important part of exercising and staying active is having the right pair of sports shoes. Wearing the appropriate sports shoes is necessary not only to allow the wearer to carry out physical activity without any constraint, but to also prevent any injuries that may occur. By wearing poorly fitted shoes, you might get lower extremity injuries in sports like running, and this can also impact an athlete's performance. So this issue can be addressed by 3D printing custom shoes that are tailored to the unique needs of different individuals. A custom-made shoe can have a more comfortable and precise fit compared to regular shoes which are mass-produced in fixed shoe sizes. So this also solves another issue with sustainability. Currently, the footwear industry has been shown to be extremely wasteful and a large contributor to pollution in our world. This is due to the fact that the waste from regular shoes contains mixtures of several different materials, which are difficult to separate out in an economical manner, and therefore they are usually just disposed as is. The shoe in our project will be made of a single material throughout, enabling better end-of-life options. The use of custom-made shoes also hopes to reduce that by extending the life cycle of shoes because they fit perfectly and can be fully utilized for a longer time period. Therefore, by combining these technologies together, we can create a custom-made 3D printed shoe integrated with an IoT fitness monitoring system. So when someone is going for a workout or a run, this low-cost all-in-one shoe can monitor the important fitness parameters and vital signs, as well as can provide you with additional information on gait, running form, and stride. So this kind of information is useful to athletes to help them prevent injuries and improve their performance. So the parameters that this shoe records is distance, elevation, speed, your heart rate or your pulse, your plantar pressure, and your GPS position to draw a map route. So other parameters such as your number of steps and your cadence, they'll be calculated from the other existing parameters, and all of these will conveniently be updated on the IoT dashboard for you to monitor and track your own health parameters. So you might be wondering, what makes this IoT implemented shoe different from any other fitness tracker that you would wear on your wrist or smartwatch? Firstly, by using all our electronics inside the shoe, we're able to monitor additional parameters that cannot be measured by a smartwatch. So inside the sole of the shoe, we have force sensing resistors that allow us to gather information on the plantar pressure exerted by the foot when walking or running. So we can use this data to assess a person's gait form, gait pattern, and inform us if they are walking optimally or if they are walking improperly and are at risk of injuring themselves or causing long-term damage to their joints. So you also might be wondering, how does a 3D printed shoe feel? Well, this shoe is printed with a material called thermoplastic polyurethane, which is also known as TPU. So it's not your typical hard plastic. It's a soft, flexible plastic that's quite durable, and it's almost rubbery in texture. So the shoe has a very thick insole to protect the microcontroller unit inside the sole of the shoe. All the electronics and the battery, they're safely covered in a small rigid enclosure to protect them from any damage, while also ensuring that you do not feel it while you're wearing the shoe, because it's also covered with the thick padding of the insole. So I hope that I've opened your eyes to the potential of this project to pioneer a new generation of wearable consumer technology and promote a sustainable product that helps society. Thank you.